It's very easy to turn a graphic in Illustrator into a pixelated version. So you can see I've borrowed Mando's helmet, and we're going to go to Object, Rasterize, and set the resolution to Other. We can enter a value here really low, so let's go for 10. And to be fair, it has pixelated it, but it doesn't look like a clean vector pixelation. So we'll duplicate this so we can compare at the end, and I'll show you what I mean with a fresh helmet. So we're going to grab the rectangle tool and draw a big old box over our new helmet. And we're going to go and set the color to white. Now we'll send it behind and then make sure that the helmet is centered in the box. Why centered? Well, this is the way. Now we're going to go back to Object, down to Rasterize, and we're going to change the resolution to 300 ppi. Click OK. And if we wave this around here, hey, you can see this is just a rasterized image. Now we're going to go back to Object, and this is now available. Create Object Mosaic. And if the image isn't rasterized, this will be grayed out. Now a lot of options here, and it might be worth doing a bit of trial and error to get the right type of mosaic. Now we have the width and height at the top, and these values must be equal for this to work. So we'll try 20 and 20, and you can see that's probably a bit too pixelated. So let's go and give that another go, and we'll make this, let's go for 60 and 60. And honestly, it kind of depends on the size of your image. That looks a bit better. And if we use the magic wand tool, we can select all of the white parts of that mosaic. We'll get rid of those, and we'll get rid of the original helmet. Select the new one, and with the eyedropper tool, just sample black as the color. And there we go, we have a much cleaner pixelation effect. Now with the direct selection tool, we can go in and we can delete certain parts. This design is meant to be symmetrical, and the pixelation here isn't. So as well as removing bits, we can duplicate existing squares by dragging with Alt or Option and Shift. But an even easier way to get this perfectly symmetrical is to delete half of it with the direct selection tool. Then select the remaining half and press O for the reflect tool. Hover over the rightmost point, hold Alt or Option and click. Reflect it vertically with a copy, and there we go, we have perfect symmetry. So just get one side right, reflect it, and you're done.